Alright, so hot tub maintenance 101. So after you use the hot tub, or you're just checking on it through the week, you want to make sure the water level doesn't go too low. So if you look over here on these jets in the corner, you see the water is a little low right now, but that level is acceptable. After you use the hot tub, you want to make sure that you have a bromine tablet in the bromine feeder. You can see there's one in there now. You can close the feeder a little bit more than that if you want. If you have a bunch of people in the hot tub, it's handy afterwards or before you go to bed to take a little bit of the Spa Guard bromide concentrate and to put not even an eighth of a cup, maybe just a little bit in the bottom, sort of like that, and throw that in the hot tub. That's if you've had 3 or 4 people in there, but that will keep things nice and clean and clear during the week. So that is the most you need to know about regular maintenance while you're using it. So that's the end of that video.